everyone, it's Yumi Maslah here, pro makeup artist for Ardell, and today I'm really excited to share with you a Valentine's inspired look, which is going to be very soft and romantic, using our brand new faux mink demi wispies. I'm going to be doing my brows first. There's no rule. I just like to do them first because it frames your face. So I'm going to use this fantastic smudge-proof and waterproof feathering pen in my brows. Just follow the direction of your brow and keep wisping away until you feel as though you have a fuller looking brow. Now the dark brown is great to start with because it allows you to create your shape. And then the black one is when you want to start creating more definition. I'm going to be using a primer because primers are the perfect glue that you need for any eyeshadow. Primers also keep your eyeshadow on for a lot longer. This primer I'm about to use is called In Her Prime, and it's a shimmer-based primer, which is great for shimmer-based eyeshadows. I love it when a product is easy to apply. This primer actually comes with a slanted tip silicone applicator. So as you can see, you can just roll it on your eyelid with great ease, or you could actually just use your ring finger for more blendability. It's eyeshadow time. This is my favorite part of eye makeup. I'm going to be using our eyeshadow palette with 15 richly pigmented eyeshadows all in one case. Now I'm going to be applying my highlight right underneath my brow bone and on top of my cheekbone. I'm going to be using an eyeshadow from our Pro Shimmer palette. I'm going to be applying our Wanna Get Lucky gel eyeliner. The shade is Purple Royal. I'm going to be using more of a smudgy effect, so don't worry about precision here. It's all about the color. It's lash time, so I'm going to start by applying lots of mascara. I'm going to be using Wispy's Fiber Building Mascara, which is an hourglass shaped brush that gives you a great opportunity to build as it hugs each lash individually. I'm so excited about these brand new lashes. Our demi wispies now come in a luxurious faux mink. My favorite ways to apply lashes is to actually put the lash on and pull off, so you see a little bit of your duo. Duo sticks to duo a lot better than duo straight on skin. Alright, since my lash application is complete and I have these brand new faux mink demi wispies on, I'm ready to flirt, but I'm also ready to put my lips on. So the pro tip was to apply the lip stain because that's going to give you your 12-hour staying time. My next pro tip is to double layer that and use our Hydra lipstick, which will hydrate your lips and give a slight sheen and an added color. So here's the final look. I just love our shimmer eyeshadows with this mauve lip. I had so much fun showing you all this, but if you want to see more, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye for now.